the Chrissy Talk Channel. Hi guys. Okay, so this is about the book club. I have an update of the book that I've chosen, and it is called, let's see, I got the Kindle version. Let's see, come on. It is called Switch on Your Brain, The Key to Peak Happiness, Thinking, and Health. And this is by Dr. Caroline Leaf. This is the book. Well, I don't think you can read it, but I will post a link below on where I found it. I just got the Kindle version because I can take it with me. And I will also see if I can post updates on my readings. And please comment below so we can have a discussion. If you agree with what I'm saying, if you don't agree, go ahead and get it if you want. You can get it from the library. I'm sure they have the book there. If you don't want to spend money on it. The Kindle version was $9.18 from Kindle. From Amazon. So you can go ahead and get it from there, or you can get it from your library. Or if you happen to have the book, good for you. Please join in the discussion in the comments. I'll also put comments like discussion points on Facebook and on Instagram. Just where I am, what I'm thinking, and yada yada yada. Okay. See. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Thank you.